Okay, so now I am going to explain another approach that is better than brute force solution. Okay, so for that's why I just remove this code, and it's a function of this function body, and it's a function calling part. Okay, so what approach I will implement here? Actually postfix and prefix technique we will implement. So imagine when the current one is this, I mean 1, what will be the its prefix? Nothing. So that's why by default 1. Okay, so why not 0? When you multiply with 0 anything, then you will get 0. That's why we by default this value will be 1. So 1 into anything, then you will get something. Okay, so and this will be postfix, so this 3 multiplication will be postfix. So when current one is 2, so then 1 will be prefix and this 2 multiplication will be postfix. So when the current one is 3, this 2 multiplication will be prefix and this one will be postfix. So when the current one is 4, then this 3 multiplication will be prefix, and post after 4 that nothing, so postfix will be 1. Okay, so how can actually convert this concept into programming? Let's see. So for that's why I need to iterate. So I in range and length, okay, and numbers. Okay, print I nums and I. Okay, so if I run, then I will get position, left side position holds and right side value. Okay, so I need create prefix array. So that's why I need to declare prefix variable. So prefix by default will be 1, as I have told you. So and I need another array that is stored new prefix array, so that will be empty, and I will later I will manipulate. So now current one is 1, so just answer dot append, and it's a append, it's a built-in Python function. Okay, so it will be prefix. Okay, so now I need to update prefix. So prefix will be updated by current value. So I mean current value I will get 1 first time by writing this code. So if I print this array, I mean prefix array, then I will get answer. Okay, and I need to show my current array. So current array will be numbers. Okay, so if I run, then I will get prefix and current array. Okay, so how can actually I manipulate this array? So let me explain this. Okay, so imagine when the first one current value is 1, so definitely its value prefix will be 1, so that I define here and I appended here. So and later I need to update prefix value. So numbers I holds current value, I mean 1, so 1 into prefix value current 1, so 1 into 1, then it is still will be prefix 1. So current one now 2, so 2 prefix definitely append 1 again 1, so then 2 into 1, so prefix will be 2. So now current one is 3, so 3 before that this prefix will be 2 appended, and 3 into 2 that equal prefix will be 6, so 6 will be updated, and then current one is 4, then prefix 6 appended, and again it will multiply something, and it won't actually need because our loop has finished. So that actually this array we got. So now you can see 1 prefix 1, so 2 prefix still we see 2, and 3 2 when the current one is 3, then 2 when the current one is 4, this 3 multiplication will be 6. So we finally got prefix array. So now it's time to postfix. Okay, so postfix what? Actually we need reverse order. So for that's why, okay, before postfix definitely will be 1, because after 4 there is nothing, so 1 will be postfix. So now I iterate and it will be reverse order. Okay, so I just copy this and paste it here, and if I run print and I nums and I, so now if I run it, then I will get 3 is a position and 4 is value. So now I got this. Okay, so reverse order. So first one is 4. Okay, so I just keep these things. Okay, so I need to manipulate our final array. I mean already we got prefix, now I need postfix. Okay, so first one is position is 3, so it answer array this 3. Okay, So if I multiply this, actually we got 6. Okay, so when the position is 4, so imagine you are still, now your position is 4. So your prefix already you got, and now your postfix is 1. So 1 into 6, that will be 6, and that that will be our final output, right? So genuinely when the current position is 4, the prefix and postfix, that will be what? 6. So answer I holds 3 position, so that means 6. So 6 into postfix so postfix is 1, so 6 into 1, then definitely it will be 6. So 6 will place here, I mean our new array. Okay, this array will be manipulated. So now I need to update postfix value. So into this, and what, my postfix and current value. Okay, so current value will be what? 4. So now current value, it actually holds 4, I mean this one, and this one holds 6. Okay, and this holds 1. So 1 into 6, we assign 6 already, and now it's time to update for next one. So 4 into 1, then postfix will be 4. For what? For whom? For 3. Okay, so now if I print our final array, then I got answer. Okay, so now if so our final result will be, I mean when the current one is 1, so this 3 multiplication, what? 24. So when the current one is 2, 1 into 2, 3 into 4, then 12. Okay, so 8 when the current one is 3, so this 2 multiplication, 2 into 4 into 8, that's equal 8. So when the current one is 4, then this 3 multiplication, already 6 into 1, then 6. That's what actually output will be. So now I think you very much clear about prefix. Now I just explain it postfix. Okay, so for that's why, okay, for the first time we got this array, I mean it's our prefix array and it's our current array. So just by writing this code, we got a reverse order of that array. So first value will be 4. Okay, so first value will be 4. So first value 4, what actually postfix? Nothing. So by default postfix will be 1. So 1, I just updated this into with this, I mean answer I holds 6. So 6 into 1, that equal 6. So that place here. Okay, and then current number is what? Current number is 4. So 4 into 1, postfix is what? 1. So 4 into 1, so then postfix will be updated by 4. So current one is what? 3. So 3, I just here postfix what? Postfix 4. So postfix this 4 into this 2, so equal 8. So it will updated, manipulated by 8. So now current one is what? Current one is 3. So 3 into postfix is what? Postfix is 4. So 3 into 4, that will be 12. So postfix updated by 12. So here 12 into what? This holds 1. Okay, so 12 into 1, then equal 12. So it updated by 12. So again, now current one is what? Current one is 2. So 2 into 12, that equal 24. So postfix will be 24, and here 24 will be 24 into 1, then equal 24 we will get. So again 24, it actually 1 into 24, so it updated 24, then our loop has finished. Okay, so final array will be look like this. So that's what our result will be, similar with their result what they have actually given us. So now here actually time complexity is what? Time complexity is big O of n. Here I use a for loop, two for loop. So big O of n, that actually they told us. Okay, a definitive algorithm will be big O of n time without using division operator. We didn't use any division operator here. So if I run it, then I will get nothing, right? So I need to, here it's a function, so that's why I need to return what? Answer. So now if I run, then I will get yes, I will get my final product. So here time complexity is big of n. Here is one loop and another loop is also called big of n, and space complexity is what? Space complexity is big of n. How can actually you understand n? So the array they have given, it's a size of 4 size of array. So you return answer array, that also size is 4 elements, so length is 4. So that's why it's called big of n length. So I hope my explanation is very clear to you. If you doubt yet, don't forget to share your thoughts inside the comment box. I will be happy to reply. Okay, and if you feel this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel. And yeah, we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.